Question number 3. Are the following statements true? Okay, same as second one. Okay, here also we have to say whether the following statements are true. Okay, so here till now only numbers were given. Okay, here 40% to 100%, okay, and is equal to that side both are in rupees. Okay, so here first we have to find the ratio of this two and the ratio of that two, and we have to check whether they are equal. Okay, same thing, same procedure only we are doing, but we have to first see whether both are in same unit. Ratio, I told you, when you are finding the ratio, both should be, each quantity they should be same, I told you. Okay, so here also, here these two we are finding ratio. So this is in person, this is also person. Okay, so they are in same unit. Okay, that side, right hand side, you have both are in rupees. Okay, so you both are in same unit, so don't need to worry, you can directly do, follow the same method. Okay, so now 40% and 200%, so 40 is to 200, okay, is equal to 40 divided by 200. Okay, now 40 divided by 200, we have to make them to simplest form. Okay, so 1 0 from the numerator and denominator we can cancel. Okay, now 4 and 20, so 2 table we can cancel them. 2 2s are 4, yes, here 2 1s are 2 and this 0, 2 10s are is 20. Okay, so 1 and 0. Now 2 and 10, again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so 1 divided by 5 is 1 is to 5. Clear, children? Now next one, 15 rupees and 75 rupees. Okay, now 15 is to 75. Okay, so 15 divided by 75. So 5 table we can cancel them. 5 3s are 15. Here 5 1s are 5. 2 is remaining. Now 25. 5 5s are 25. Clear? Now 3 and 15. So 3 table we can cancel. So 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so that is equal to 1 is to 5. So here also 1 is to 5. Here also we have 1 is to 5. So the ratios, they are equal. Okay, so are the following statements true? Is this statement true? Yes, the given statement is true. Okay, are the following statements true? So this statement, it is true. Clear, children? So you will write 40% is to 200% is equal to rupees 15 is to rupees 75 is true. Clear, children? B subdivision, 7.5 liters is to 15 liters. Right side you have kilogram. Okay, 5 kilogram, kg means kilogram, is to 10 kilogram. Okay, so here also liters, both are in same unit. The right hand side also kilogram. Okay, so we can find the ratios. Okay, but here you have 7.5 liters. So second sum I told you, no, decimals, same thing, we have to first remove the decimal and then we have to find the ratios. Okay, see whether the ratios, they are equal. Okay, so 7.5 liters, 7.5. Okay, so 7.5, can I write it as 75 divided by 10? Decimal point is before one number, so 10 in the denominator. Okay, so 75 divided by 10. Clear, children? Here 15 liters, it is not in decimal, only 15 we have. Okay, so only this we are writing it in the form of fraction. Okay, so 75 divided by 10. Okay, now 75 divided by 10 divided by 15. Okay, so 15 is a whole number, that means 15 divided by 1. Okay, now this division sign I have to change to multiplication. So I have to take a reciprocal of 15 divided by 1. Okay, so 75 divided by 10 I am writing as such. This division I am changing to multiplication. Okay, so I have to take reciprocal. So 15 divided by 1, when I take reciprocal, it is 1 divided by 15. Okay, now 75, 15. Okay, we can cancel them in 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 is remaining 25, so 5 5s are 25. Okay, now 15 and 3. Again 3 table we can cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now you have 5 and 10. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Clear children? Now 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 by 2. How can we write in ratio? 1 is to 2. Clear? Now next one we have to find 5 kilogram and 10 kilogram. Okay, so 5 is to 10 is equal to, write them in fraction. So 5 divided by 10. 5 table I can cancel them. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Now 1 and 2. So the ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay, so now 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 2. Okay, so are the following statement true? They are equal. Yes, so the given statement is true. Okay, so you will write 7.5 liters is to 15 liters is equal to 5 kilogram is to 10 kilogram. This given statement is true. Clear children? C subdivision. 99 kilogram, 45 kilogram. Right hand side you have rupees 44 and rupees 20. Okay, now they are in same unit. Okay, so we can find the ratio. We have to check whether the ratios are equal. Okay, now 99 is to 45. How can we write it in fraction? 99 divided by 45. Okay, now 99 and 45, 3 table we can cancel them. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 45, 3 1s are 3, 1 is remaining. So 15. So 3 5s are, it is 15. Now we have 33 and 15. Okay, so 3 table we can cancel there. 3 5s are 15. Here 33, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So 11 divided by 5. Okay, so it is 11 is to 5. Okay, now right hand side 44 is to 20. So 44 divided by 20. Okay, so 2 table we can cancel. 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 20, 2 1s are 2, this 0. That is 2 10 times, it is 20. 2 10s are is 20. Okay, so 10. Now 22 and 10. 2 table. 2 1s are 2, again 2 1s are 2. So here 2 5s are 10. Now 11 divided by 5, so it is 11 is to 5. So both the ratios, they are equal. Okay, so therefore 99 kilogram is to 45 kilogram is equal to rupees 44 is to rupees 20 is true. Clear children? D sum. So here meter, both are in meter, right hand side both are in seconds. Okay, so we can find the ratio. So 32 is to 64. Okay, so 32 divided by 64. So ones place even numbers. So they are divisible in 2 table. Okay, so 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining. Okay, now you have 12. 2 6 are 12. Clear? 64. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 16 divided by 32. Okay, so again 2 table. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so 32 is 2 1s are 2, 1 is remaining. So this number is 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, now 8 and 16. Again 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Again 4 and 8, 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 1 divided by 2. So the ratio is 1 is to 2. Okay, same way next one. 6 is to 12 is equal to 6 divided by 12. Okay, so 6 table we can cancel them. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 1 divided by 2 is 1 is to 2. Okay, so 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 2. The given ratios, they are equal. Okay, so the given statement 32 meter is to 64 meter is equal to 6 seconds is to 12 seconds. This statement, it is true. Clear, children? Next one, E subdivision. So here both are in kilometer, that side both are in hours. So we have to find the ratio. They are in same unit, so no need to worry. Okay, so 45 is to 60 is equal to 45 divided by 60. Okay, so 45 and 60. So ones place 5 and 0. So can I take 5 table? Yes, so 5 nines are 45. Okay, denominator 5 ones are is 5. You have 6 here, so 1 is the remainder. So that number 1 here. So now this number is 10. So 5 twos are 10. Okay, now 9 and 12. Again 3 table we can cancel them. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Okay, so the ratio is 3 is to 4. Clear, children? Now next one, 12 is to 15. Okay, so 12 divided by 15. So 3 table 3, 4. 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Okay, so we have 4 divided by 5. Okay, so the ratio is 4 is to 5. Now 3 is to 4 and 4 is to 5. Okay, the ratios, they are not equal. So the given statement is not true. Okay, so we have to write not true. Okay, so 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer is not equal to or you write the given statement as it is. Okay, is equal to the given statement is not true. Clear, children?